Good morning, my beautiful girlies, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So for today's topic of discussion, it's pretty simple. What is my idea of a perfect day? So I know that all of us have our different answers of what a perfect day would look like to us. Thinking answers for this topic was kind of a little bit difficult because, there's just so many perfect days that you can have, and it doesn't have to be limited to where you are. You could go to a different city, or you could do two things in one day, 10 things in one day. Yeah, about 10 things in one day. It depends on how early you start your day. So I have 4 things that I would consider my perfect day for me. Though I had a lot of answers, these 4 things were definitely it for me. So the concealer that I will be using is the Sephora Best Skin Ever multi-use concealer. It's full coverage, and I'm using the shade 44Y. So to start off, the first idea that I would start off with for my perfect day would have to be to go to brunch, or go to a nice brunch spot. So the last time I went to brunch, it was with one of my good friends. We hung out for the day, and in all honesty, it was really, really nice. It was a really, really nice brunch spot. It was called First Watch. And that was honestly my very first time going to a First Watch. So it was really, really nice. The food was phenomenal. It was amazing. Your girl loved it so much. I honestly loved going to First Watch. The food was just so amazing. I know another brunch spot that I went to with one of my good friends, which was not this past summer, but summer 2022. I went with her to this brunch place called Simply Crepes. It's only based in my city. I don't know if Simply Crepes is a chain restaurant, but in all honesty, it was the vibes for sure. It really, really was. I really, really liked their food. And I think just brunch, I believe, starts off my day really well. I could have said breakfast, but in all honesty, I'm just not a big breakfast girl. I'll eat breakfast, but it's just not going to be a big breakfast lunch and dinner. And I think that brunch is the perfect medium for that. In all honesty, brunch, it's not too much, it's not too little, and it's it's during a really good time of day. It's not too early, and it's also not too late. It's I consider brunch to be around noon to 1. I mean, that's my version of a brunch. So yeah, I feel brunch is definitely the best way to start off my perfect day. All right, y'all, so to follow with the second idea that would make my day even more perfect would have to be after brunch, going to a spa. So I have never went to a spa a day in my life. I've never went to a spa before, an actual nice spa resort that we see in the movies. I've never really went there before, and I've always wanted to go to a really, really nice spa. I think it would just be very, very nice to just relax, and I think a lot of people would also agree with me, hopefully. I feel just having a really nice relaxation day would really be for the win, because with just all of our lives, life can just be so busy and definitely so hard sometimes, and you just want to have a really relaxing day to yourself to kind of just make the day 10 times better. So yeah, I think that just going to a really, really relaxing spa would be such a great way to spend my day. like getting massages, getting baths, like mud baths, going in the jacuzzi, and just being spoiled. Like literally just feeling and being spoiled sounds like my perfect day. Like it literally sounds like my perfect day. So yeah, y'all, definitely going to the spa would be another perfect addition to my perfect day. All right, y'all, so the mascara that I will be using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Love this baby so much. My favorite mascara ever. So the third thing that would make a perfect addition to my perfect day would have to be a shopping spree. I don't know, y'all. So lately, as I gotten older and older, like shopping sprees have been depleting for me. Like as a teen, I used to love shopping so much, and now I don't anymore. Like I don't anymore to save money, and also like I still have clothes in my closet that like I have not worn yet, and I'm just like, girl, like you cannot be wasting all of this money if you're never going to wear the clothes that you initially bought months before. And that's how you know I'm changing. Like that's not changing. Well, yeah, that's how you know I'm growing, because child, if you said this to me as a teen, I would have been like, wait, what? Like, no, that's pish posh. Like, that's pish posh. What? No, that's definitely pish posh, because I would definitely wear those clothes for sure. Like there's just like no freaking way, even though they're not wrong at all. I used to do that all the time for some odd reason. So yeah, a shopping spree, you know, just shopping for like some cute pieces, I would say, would definitely be another great addition to my perfect day. It wouldn't even be like a lot of shopping. It would just be shopping like for specific pieces, because like I just don't buy like a lot of clothes all in one anymore. I literally just like buy like some basic pieces that I know I'm going to be using, and literally like that's all I do. It's beneficial for me, it works for me. Literally, I recommend that you do something that works for you. And yeah, so yeah, a shopping spree would definitely be another great addition to my perfect day. Okay, also to finish up this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Changeable Fantasy palette by the brand Prison Makeup. So with all of these pretty shades, and we're gonna be using probably this light blue shade right here. Okay, y'all, so the last idea that would make a perfect addition to my perfect day would have to be to go to an amusement park. Just going to an amusement park, having fun would definitely... I just realized my mistake. I put on mascara first and then eyeshadow instead of putting on eyeshadow first and then mascara. I'm a dummy. Anyways, yeah, but going to an amusement park would definitely just be super duper fun. It would just be really fun just to hang out with my best friends, or like some of my really great friends. It would just be super duper nice just to have fun and you know, hang out. It would be really fun. I think that going to an amusement park would definitely make my day so much better. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That is cute. So yeah, y'all, like definitely going to an amusement park would just make my, you know, end off the perfect day for me, because I just get to have fun, ride roller coasters, all of that, and you know, just, you know, have fun and just be more, you know, outgoing and do something adventurous for the day, because we just chillaxed for this entire perfect day. So yeah, just having something fun on the roster would definitely make that day so much better. So yeah, y'all, an amusement park would definitely have to be the last thing to end off this perfect day. All right, y'all, so this makeup look is done. I added some blue today for a little bit of pop of color. What do we think? What do we think? I actually like it. I actually want to put on some more eyeshadow now. This looks really nice. So yeah. this look came out c'est magnifique. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.